Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at a drink called DeadHead Imperial IPA. But before we do, and you end up liking this video, be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons and hit the notification bell for more beer reviews. I greatly appreciate it. So a little history on the DESTIHL Brewery, located in Normal, Illinois, is renowned for its innovative and craft beer, blending traditional brewing techniques with modern approaches. Founded with a passion for quality and creativity, the brewery has quickly risen to prominence within the craft beer community. Now, the brewing process for the Imperial IPA is crafted using meticulous brewing process that emphasizes hop-forward flavors characteristic of the West Coast style IPAs. DESTIHL's brewers use a blend of carefully selected malts and hops, resulting in a beer that is both robust and balanced. So this beer comes in at a 9% with 60 IBUs. So it delivers a strong yet smooth drinking experience. So the higher alcohol content is well balanced by the bitterness from the hops, making it a standout choice for IPA enthusiasts. So the aroma from this beer, let's check it out here. Wow, it's not even open, I can smell it. It's gonna be strong. Pour it like a pro. Like I just got out of bartender school. Fairly clear. A lot of carbonation. At least to one finger, maybe two pinkies. So the aroma is a mix of citrus, pine, and tropical fruit notes. So the taste it opens with a burst of citrus and pine. It's pretty strong of the citrus. And that's characteristic of a West Coast IPA. The beer's strong hop bitterness is complemented by a malty backbone, leading to a crisp, dry finish that leaves lingering, pleasant bitterness. There's a lot going on in this beer. When you first drink it, you notice the citrusy flavor. Very strong on the citrusy flavor. Then after a second or two, the hops burst out. So they will burst out with flavor. So a little bit about the brewer. The brewery is known for pushing the boundaries of traditional beer styles, incorporating cutting-edge techniques and bold flavor combination. The DeadHead Imperial IPA is a prime example of their commitment to crafting beers that are both innovative and deeply satisfying. Now, pairing suggestions. Buffalo wings. This will pair well with buffalo wings, grilled meats, or sharp cheeses. Its bitterness and citrusy notes also make it a great complement to rich desserts, just such as chocolate or citrus tarts. And the brewer's journey, since its inception, DESTIHL Brewery has gone from a small local operation into a nationally recognized craft beer producer. Their journey has been marked by a dedicated to quality, innovation, and a strong connection with the craft beer community. And beer styles. DeadHead Imperial IPA fits squarely within the West Coast IPA style, known for its assertive hop bitterness and bright, clear appearance. However, DESTIHL's interpretation adds an imperial twist with higher alcohol content and more intense flavors. Excuse me. The beer ratings for this beer garnered praises from beer enthusiasts, earning high ratings for its bold flavors, balanced bitterness, and impressive aroma. Reviewers often highlight its smooth drinkability despite its high ABV, making it a favorite among hop lovers. So, if you're a IPA lover, you'll probably like this. If you like the IPAs, it is kind of strong, and you get a strong burst of fruit. And then the hops, pine and hops. Seems like it's pine and hops. Kind of piney and hoppy. See if there's any, might be a date on here. Looks like there is. Canned on May 16th, 2024. May 16th, 2024. So if you watch this channel often, you know I'm not the biggest fan of IPAs, but this one, I'll drink the whole thing. It's not bad. I've had some before where it's not balanced very good, and it's just so hoppy, that's all you taste. Tasted like they made a beer out of pure hops and nothing else. Although I don't know if that would work. It'd be a lot of hops. But I would say this is a On the scale of 1 to 10, I'd say a 6. If I was an IPA lover, I'd probably say 8. But it's still drinkable. You still get the IPA taste, but it's not so strong. It's strong on the fruity flavor, but not so strong on the hops. They're not as strong as some other IPAs. So I'd say this is a 6, and I think that'll about do it for this video. So thanks for joining me. Peace, and we'll see you next time.